What's good, Juice Squad? So you feel me? I'm coming back with another reaction, man. So my boy A Cal just dropped. A Cal, listen, I really appreciate you commenting on my vid. That bit had me smiling like these. No homo, my nigga. Anyway, go back to my other reaction. A Cal 4 wheel low. That's the one he commented on. It got like 600 views, 700 views. So that one going up. You feel me? Since it got that many views, I'm bringing back another A Cal. This is Adam Calhoun riding shotgun. You can see, yeah, he just dropped it an hour ago. So we about to see what it's talking about, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You already know all that good stuff, and we finna hop straight into it.
Have fun.
Already on that, bro. I fuck with his style, bro. Smooth that. Nah, he came on this bitch smooth. Look at my boy Fit. Oh shit, A Cal, you got the drink? Alright, hold on. I'm stop pausing.
You just sitting on the sofa. Make sure the clip full so I unload on my opposers. I keep my grass trimmed so I can expose the cobras. Snakes in the grass, they don't wanna throw hands. This rap shit ain't paying, so they make a OnlyFans. I ain't talking about bitches, I'm talking about these rap dudes, but dudes act like bitches these days. That's you, the shoes bitch.
Oh shit, okay. He talking about Tiger, them niggas. Them niggas got OnlyFans, bro. I could never make no OnlyFans. On God, I couldn't make one by rap. But that shit funny. He dissing the mainstream niggas. Because that's mostly the people that got the OnlyFans. That was a nice little line how he kind of said, these niggas acting like bitches. Like, just peep it with me. Peep it with me.
I'm talking about these rap dudes, but dudes act like bitches these days. That's you, the shoe fits, wear it. Your music's generic. You just hop on the trend and pray to God someone hear it. You all worn out, prostitute on the strip. Sell your whole ass for a view or a click, yeah. Talk about money, you ain't even got
I see what this shit talking about. He talking shit about the people that just, you'll go anywhere for some money. You feel me? Niggas will go and run naked in public and record it just for some guap or some shit like that. Or the hoes will show all these and for the $3. Like, that's tough. The $3 tips, that's tough. Who is that, bro? I've seen him before.
Fucking it while you keep on taking naps. I'm hearing less talking shit. Ever since I started rap, I swear nobody fucks with you. They just point and laugh. I swear on the prison I'll go back to. I'm a killer rap dude. Oh, you tough got tattoos. That's a nice chain, I'll take that too. What you saying, you just playing difference in me and you is I am that dude. Real life. I don't know how to act. All this cash. All these bitches give me ass. I don't ask.
See. The last past 30 seconds was just him on like some just talking his shit. You know I like to say niggas is talking their shit on the track. That's what the past 30 seconds was. You feel me? Just getting on your ass, showing you what's good, showing you what he got and you don't like. Talking shit is a beautiful thing. I can't even cap. It's so beautiful. Everybody loves it. Everybody loves talking shit. Or at least hearing it.
I'm the dash till I crash, had a blast. Talk about money, you ain't even got none. Talk about guns, you ain't never shot one. Pistols, we all got one. AR riding shotgun. Run up with the problem, that's a bad outcome. Talk about money, you ain't even got none. Talk about guns, you ain't never shot one. Pistols, we all got one. AR riding shotgun. Run up with the problem, that's a bad outcome.
He about to behead this nigga. Oh. Oh shit, they about to execute his ass. Alright, nice little visual. He dropping the consistent bangers. I seen the he dropped another one, I think. He dropped another one. If y'all want to see me react to that one, oh no, this one he about to drop. If y'all want to see me react to that one, just leave it in the comments. Matter of fact, like the video, my guy. You like the video, then I'll do it when it come out, my guy. If this get up to 50 likes before 5 p.m., bro, I'll do it. I'll do it before it come out, but get it there. Appreciate y'all. I'm out, man.